What's going on?
Yeah.
What is this?
Don't grab it.
Don't grab
it. No. I understand that you're a grown-ass man,
Turn around.
bro.
Turn around.
I understand that you're a grown-ass man.
Turn around and don't act like this.
No. I understand that you're a grown-ass man, bro. And you can do what you want. You can shoot me and you can fucking kill me.
No, it ain't gonna be like that.
No.
It ain't gonna be like that.
It ain't gonna be?
Turn around.
It's airsoft gun, bro.
What is it?
I just told you.
What is it? I didn't hear you.
I said it's an airsoft gun, bro.
Okay. Well, we're gonna relax here for a second. Stop.
That ain't fucking relaxing.
Stop, bro.
If you want to get all aggressive, we can get aggressive.
Oh, yeah, we can?
Yeah, we can. I don't give a fuck about that airsoft gun.
Bitch, get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground now.
Hold up.
Get on the fucking ground now.
I will.
Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground.
On the ground.
Now?
Stop. You know.
You got about 3 seconds till I tase your ass.
Okay.
Get on the fucking ground.
Let me pull up my pants. I'm getting on the ground. So let me tell you something.
Stop fucking talking and get on the fucking ground like I fucking told you.
I will. I called the cops by myself.
Put your hands out.
I called the
Put
cops.
your fucking hands out.
I called you.
Put your fucking hands out.
Why are you so fucking power aggressive,
Because you ain't
bro?
fucking answering me.
I called the cops by myself.
Put your fucking hands out.
I called the cops by
I
myself.
don't give a
for
fuck.
help.
Put your fucking hands out.
Help.
What do you need
For
help with?
help. Because I want to fucking
Do
kill
what I
myself
fucking
because
tell
of
you to do.
people like you.
Do what I
Because of fucking people like you, bro.
Because of people like
so
me?
fucking power aggressive,
Yeah,
dude.
I fucking bet.
Yeah?
Don't do what
You
you're
wanna
fucking
shoot me?
told.
You want to fucking shoot me?
You don't do what you're fucking told. It's a fucking problem.
Yeah.
Don't grab my
That's the
shit
problem?
again.
Shoot me.
Don't grab my shit
Fucking
again.
shoot me and kill me.
Don't grab my shit
Go ahead.
again. Fuck is wrong with you?
Go ahead. I'm not resisting.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I'm
right
on
now
body
you're
cam.
not. It's alright. I got plenty of people on the way right now.
Go ahead.
So you're gonna fucking sit
Yeah, you
right
said
there.
code 3, bro. Go ahead.
Yeah, I know.
See, this is the problem, bro. I called the cops by myself.
Yeah.
Fucking 6 times.
And you got a fucking weapon
help.
on you and you don't fucking answer me.
I didn't have a
Stop
weapon on
fucking
me, bro.
moving.
I fucking spread my arms, bro. So I have a
Yeah,
fucking
no you
problem.
don't. No you fucking
And you know
didn't.
what? I told you. I fucking made it clear. It was a fucking airsoft gun,
I don't
bro.
give a fuck.
You're such a pussy, nigga.
I don't give a fuck. Shut
You're
up.
such a pussy.
Shut up.
You're such a pussy.
Shut
Without
up.
that taser, I'd beat your fucking
I
ass.
bet you fucking would. Do
Yeah.
it then, bitch.
Throw the taser.
No,
Throw the
I ain't
taser,
throwing
I'll beat
shit.
the fuck out of you because you're so much
I
of
got a
pussy.
fucking family to go home
Yeah,
to,
me
huh?
too.
Yeah, you do?
I fucking bare
That's why you're out
knuckle.
here?
Bare knuckle.
Yeah, bare knuckle.
fucking knuckle. Bare knuckle.
Okay.
Bare knuckle.
I ain't bare
Bare
knuckling
knuckle.
shit.
Because you're too much of a pussy.
I ain't bare knuckling
Because
shit.
you're too much of a pussy.
Yeah?
Why you get my arm wrapped up?
Because I don't fucking know you.
You.
I don't know what the fuck
pockets.
else you got
I
on
got
you.
an e-cig
I
and a
tried.
fucking phone.
I fucking tried and you fucking kept doing this bullshit.
Tase my heart. I got heart problems. Kill me.
Well,
Fucking
you
kill
put
me.
yourself
Kill
in this
me.
position.
Kill me. Kill me.
You put
Kill
yourself
me.
in this
Tase
position.
me. You'll fucking kill me. Tase me. You'll kill me. Tase me. Tase me. I don't give a fuck. You'll kill me. Fucking tase me, bro.
I ain't fucking tasing nobody.
I don't give a fuck, dude.
55 Central, where we at?
You act like it's so much of a stress, bro. If I tried, bro, I'd flip you over. You start tasing
Yeah,
me.
I bet you fucking would.
I would. I'll prove
Yeah.
a point here.
Okay,
And I'll go to
good.
See? There you go. There you go. I stopped. I
Yeah,
stopped.
hey, you fucking
I
did.
proved the point.
Guess what?
I
You got
proved the
fucking,
point.
and you're
I
getting
proved the
fucking
point.
battery charged.
I proved the point.
Get on the fucking ground.
I proved the point.
Get on the fucking.
I proved the point. I proved the point. I proved the point.
You're resisting!
I'm not.
Get on the fucking.
I'm not.
See what I fucking told you?
You're resisting! Put your hands behind your back! Do it now! Put your hands behind your back! Do it now!
You wanna be a fucking dickhead, huh?
Can we get on the radio? Come forward. Slow down, please.
6 Bravo 20 Central, 1 adult male, 1015. Responding unit, slow down.
Yeah, you can breathe.
I don't know what else he has on.
Sit him up.
You good?
Yeah.
Get him up.
No.
Get him up.
Hey, don't hit me up.
Get him
Don't
up.
hit me up.
No.
Don't hit me up,
Breathe,
bro.
we're gonna sit you up.
See what else? Yeah, I'm good. We just fucking. He just kept resisting, so I just kept holding his arms.
I'm not as tall as you, bro.
Quiet.
Why are you doing that?
Quiet.
See what happens? Oh, and this. There's like an airsoft gun somewhere around here.
We'll look for it.
I'm trying to tell you I
yourself gun, huh?
This is my arms. My arms. My arms, bro. I'm not trying to resist you. I'm in cuffs.
Can we get a set of gloves?
I can't.
Yeah, I got you.
Bro, I'm not.
Relax.
Kill me.
Relax.